Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Stickland. Today is the second episode of Let's Create Something Random, where we will create something random. First, create a new layer, then use the brush tool and select the dry brush. Or you can select any other brush and then change the color. Sometimes you will see some error, so you have to choose the brush again. And I'm trying to create some strings, and since I'm using the mouse, it will be a lot easier for me if I rotate the canvas. I'll simply copy my portrait and paste it on my Photoshop canvas, and I'm gonna use those strings as tears. I'll copy the string for other eye, and then I'll copy the text, but this time I'll use the blending mode to give a new unique kind of effect. But the string tears aren't that noticeable, so I have to copy them again, and then I'm gonna simply flatten the image and use noise because I love noisy, grainy stuff. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.